Today I'm going to show you a simple way of how I replace my windscreen wiper blades quickly and easily. You can see my blades are definitely past the best and in need of replacement. We have two different sized wipers on this vehicle, which may be the case for yours. I think you'll be very lucky in this day and age if your windscreen wipers are actually the same size on the front and we've got a rear wiper for the back. So the wiper blades unboxed, what I do is I actually align them on the old wipers. You can see this one is more or less in the same place. Get the centre aligned with the centre of the blade and make preparations just to quickly remove this blade and slot the other one on. Have a good look at it. So I've pulled the wiper up and the plan is just to quickly pull that down. So there's a little tab there, you may hear a click as it secures it. And then we've got the new blade in exactly the correct position, just to quickly insert on. And that is now secure. And do the same on the other side. It's just an exercise in visualization. If it's stiff, give it a wiggle. And that's now on securely. There's actually no tab to click in with these. And just have a quick look and check all is secure. Your wipers should not be able to slide off, because believe you and me, that will happen. Just check all is secure and that your wipers cannot slide off the arms. And we'll apply the same techniques in fitting the rear wiper. Many thanks for watching, and why not subscribe to learn of more repair possibilities.